It is the paradox of the parrot. As numbers dwindle in the wild, the number of rescues in captivity continues to increase. With sanctuaries struggling to stay afloat, the fate of unwanted parrots is becoming more precarious every day.
What do you think? What do you think about that?
Died, and the daughter called up and asked
What do you think of all those parrots? Those poor parrots, huh?
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Those poor parrots.
In a Detroit suburb, a parrot named Fagin has found his way to Marie Crowley. Good boy. Good boy.
Is it upsetting?
It was pretty obvious that he had a big self-mutilation wound on his abdomen. Really chewed yourself up, buddy. We smelled heavily nicotine.
I know. Why would they do that?
He hadn't been bathed in a long time.
Why would they do that?
He was just covered in goo. Dirty bird.
Is it upsetting? Yeah, come here.
Hands, which is disgusting. They're covered
Come
in
here.
nicotine. My hand was stained for 2 days after.
Are you lucky Mommy adopted you? Are you happy Mommy adopted you? What do you say? What do you think about those poor birds? What do you say? You're better?